Ano nga ba sagutin ang tanong na tell me about yourself? Ito usually yung kauna-unahang tanong sa interview. Pumunta ka sa Google, you can get a lot of recommendations, most especially for this particular question. Go to Google or open your browser, i-type nyo how to answer, tapos yung interview question. And you will find, meron doon mga blogs, may mga written blogs, meron mga, if kayo nga pala by the way guys, ay visual learner, the best place to go is pumunta kayo sa parts where you will be able to watch videos instead of just reading para mas mabilis nyong ma-retain yung information. At makikita nyo dyan, ang dami talaga. Meron pa tinatawag na Ford method, STAR method, iba-iba yung pattern. However, I think one thing na ginagawa ko in particular is that I do not follow a specific method. Instead, I gauge kung sino yung kausap ko at ano yung role niya dun sa interview at hiring process. Quite frankly, I understand where he is coming from. Ang sabi niya, mas maganda daw mag-BPO ka kasi may job security, tapos karamihan na kinukuha ng VA is babae, sobrang dami na ng kalaban, hindi makakuha ng client. Kasi mas magaling kumutob ang babae kung ano nga ba yung hinahanap na sagot nung nag-i-interview. Anyway, if asked this question, ito yung sagot ko. Hello, my name is Mary Rose Lopez Ganson. You can call me Mary. Prior to working from home, I worked as a BPO representative. I started as a customer service representative and I worked my way up the ladder. I have experience as a team leader, subject matter expert, resolution specialist, and account management. I'm familiar with Google Workspace, Microsoft Office, some CRMs, dialers and soft phones, calendar management, task management, and I can definitely do administrative tasks, a little bit of graphics design, some photo and video editing, and I specialize mostly on digital marketing such as SEO and social media management. During my spare time, I love playing Mobile Legends with my kids. You see, wala akong one specific pattern, but instead, hina-highlight ko, number 1 is yung work experience ko, and number 2, yung mga apps or systems na familiar ako. I also tried to humanize myself and personalize yung answer by telling them what I do on my spare time. I find this answer na parang nandun siya sa hindi siya over-giving ng information, hindi rin naman siya lacking information. Kumbaga nandun tayo sa sweet spot ng pagsagot ng tell me about yourself. Now guys, it's your turn. Number 1 na step, lagay nyo sa Google Keep, sagutin nyo yung question na tell me about yourself, and then record yourself answering this question hanggang sa masanay kayo dun sa sagot nyo. Don't forget to document your journey, tag me, and use the hashtag freelancer na me this 2023.